Imagine stepping onto a silent battlefield, no boots thudding, no shouts, just the hum of machines. That's not science fiction anymore. Meet the new faces of modern warfare: robot dogs and aerial drones working in perfect sync. These robot dogs aren't your childhood toys. They sprint, leap, and crawl over rough terrain, carrying supplies or even defusing bombs. Some models pack serious hardware, think surveillance tools, sensors, maybe even non-lethal deterrents. They slip where humans can't, relaying real-time intel back to commanders. Now throw in a swarm of drones overhead. These aren't just flying cameras. They can map enemy positions, jam communications, or even deliver payloads with pinpoint accuracy. The real magic? Integration. Drones scan from the sky, spot hidden threats, and relay coordinates. Robot dogs dash in, analyze, react instantly. It's a whole new level of teamwork, and there's no one on the ground at risk. This unmanned force changes the rules. Missions that would have taken days with dangerous stakes are now done in hours, sometimes minutes. And it's not just about firepower. It's about information. Seeing more, moving faster, staying one step ahead. Of course, it's not all sleek tech and cool gadgets. There are big questions. Who's in control? What happens if the tech fails? And how does humanity fit into a future where machines fight our battles? For sci-fi fans, this is the stuff of dreams and maybe a few nightmares. But one thing's clear: the robot dog and drone revolution is here, and it's reshaping what we thought possible on the battlefield. The future is now. You watching?